Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for GM's 2015 to 2020 large SUVs.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and clear any lines or harnesses from the work area. Remove the factory center frame crossmember by cutting along the welds that hold it to the frame rail. Step 3. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray this bare metal with a weld-through primer. Step 4. Align the replacement crossmember on the frame rails using the factory parts silhouette. You may need to use a jack to hold the crossmember in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the crossmember in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the crossmember and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall any removed lines or harnesses, then lower your vehicle. Now, get back out on the road.